In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook to a digital creator. So the first thing you need to do is just click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side and then select the three horizontal dots next to edit profile. Now select turn on professional mode, select turn on, click on next, select next again, click on next, and finally press confirm. Then we can press next again, click on next, and select skip. Now select go to professional dashboard, and once you've turned on professional mode, then head back over to your Facebook profile, click on see about info, and then right at the top you'll see this category which mine's set to digital creator. So what we can do is click on this edit button and then just go and search for the category that you want listed here. So for example, if you want digital creator, then just search for it and press search, and then go and select it from the list like so and go and press save. And then just like that, you'll now be able to see your digital creator on your Facebook profile. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.